body, and we are doing it bar Pilates style. So, what is bar Pilates? So, bar Pilates is when you use a bar while you work out. If you do not have a bar, you can get a chair and you can use the edge of that chair to do your workout. Also, going to need light dumbbells. So, I have used 1 kg dumbbells during my workouts. However, if you do not have dumbbells at home, you can always get a bottle that is filled with either sand or water. It can be either 1 liter or 2 liters. So, there you have it. You're going to need your weights and your chair. That is all, and a positive attitude to change your body. Hope you join me on this journey for 7 days to Christmas, and I wish you all the best. Hello everyone. So for our first exercise we are going to work on our quadriceps as well as our arms. So we are going to target basically in this exercise we're targeting our biceps. Alright, so always remember your Pilates principles. Your core is engaged, your back is straight, and you are doing thoracic breathing. As you can see over here, I'm inhaling from my nose and exhaling through my mouth. I can't help it. I am a Pilates instructor. I need to remind you of all this. There I go again, reminding you of all this. And so this exercise is pretty effective if you want to tone your quadricep muscles, and it's also really effective because you're side by side working your arms. And here we are doing these pulses, which I think you're going to do about 20 pulses if you do 20 repetitions. Now for the second exercise, we're gonna work our triceps and our booty. So again, a very effective and innovative exercise. That's why I love bar, because you can almost target your entire body in a single exercise, right? So make sure you get a lightweight dumbbell. A 1 kg dumbbell will do the work, because you're not going to take any breaks and you're going to do a lot of repetitions while you're doing bar. Now when you pulse, you make sure that you feel the burn, and make sure that you hinge your arm only from your elbows if you want to target the triceps effectively. In this exercise, let's see, what are we working? We're working our abs and our biceps, right? So again, make sure your core is engaged tightly. Try to think that you're moving from your core, and just enjoy the movement. And also appreciate how I wore a Santa Claus hat in this video, which I totally love. I mean, people were laughing at me for wearing this, but I do not regret it. I love it. So and again, we repeat it on both sides. We're gonna do it on both sides, because why do you want to leave one side worked and not the other side, right? So yes, I hope you're enjoying this Christmas themed workouts and the bar style. I'm sure bar workouts are going to kick your butts. So make sure you are breathing from the thoracic region, your core is engaged, and feel the burn from those pulses. Alright, now moving on to the fourth exercise. For this exercise, we're going to work our hamstrings and we'll also target our booty. So with an engaged and tight core, make sure that you are breathing. Inhale to prepare, exhale to kick back. You are pointing through your toes. Stay sturdy. This movement also challenges your stability quite a bit. So it's quite a versatile exercise. Here we're working and doing our pulses. Make sure you do not drop the weights from your legs. Alright, now moving on to the second side. Again, repeating the whole process on the second side. I'm just in so much awe of the tone that I have developed in my legs. It's all because of those side lying leg series. I love them. I'm so grateful for Pilates. So yes, again, do those pulses religiously, and that's it for today. Bye bye. So everyone, that was day 1 of 7 days to Christmas. Hope you had a great time working out your entire body, including your biceps, triceps, your quads, your butt and your abs. So that was a great workout and it is going to be an intense one as well. So the amount of repetitions that we did during the workout was 20 into 3 sets of each exercise. So that is definitely going to give you an amazing tone as well as make you more energetic and feel stronger in your body as well, because we have used weights during the workout as well. So I hope you had a great workout. That's it for day 1. I hope to see you all tomorrow for day 2, in which we are going to use a surprise element once again. So make sure that you join me for day 2 as well for 7 days to Christmas. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow.